Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. We're going to learn a new word.
System.
Hi Alex. That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
System.
Has a couple of meanings in English. It can refer to a set of connected things or parts, like a computer system. It can also mean a method or way of doing something, like a
System.
of organization. The most common meaning is the first one, referring to a group of interacting elements.
Are there any tricky parts to this word?
Yes, it's important to watch out for false friends. In English, the word
System.
might seem similar to the German,
System.
but the usage can differ slightly in context.
Got it. What about the grammar? How do you use
System,
System.
Is a neuter noun, so it takes the article.
Das.
The plural form is.
Systeme.
For example, you might say,
Das System funktioniert gut.
which means the system works well.
That's helpful. How would I say that in the past tense?
In the past tense, you can say,
Das System funktionierte gut.
and in perfect, it's.
Das System hat gut funktioniert.
And what about the imperative form?
The imperative isn't really common for,
System.
as it's more of a noun than a verb. But if you wanted to tell someone to organize a,
System.
you might say,
Organisiere das System.
Interesting. Where does the word
System,
come from?
the word comes from the Latin,
Systema.
which itself comes from the Greek.
Systema.
It originally meant a whole made of parts. It's fascinating how it has evolved over time.
That is fascinating. So, how can we break down the word?
System,
Well,
System.
can't be split into smaller parts since it's not a compound word. But you can think of it as a whole that consists of smaller elements working together.
That makes sense. Are there similar words we should know?
Absolutely. For example, we have,
Ökosystem.
which means ecosystem, and
Betriebssystem.
meaning operating system. Both follow the head-last rule, where the last noun determines the gender in these cases. They are also neuter. Other words include
Bildungssystem.
education system,
Transportsystem.
transport system, and
Gesundheitssystem.
health system.
Wow, that's quite a few.
Yes, and we can also look at related words with the same suffix like
Systematik.
systematics and
Systematisierung.
systematization. Each of these has its own specific context but relates back to the idea of systems.
I see the connections. Can you give me some real-life situations where I might use
System.
Sure. For example, at work, you might say,
Das neue System verbessert die Effizienz.
can you repeat that?
Das neue System verbessert die Effizienz.
Perfect. Another situation could be when discussing your computer at home.
Mein Computer hat ein gutes System.
Mein Computer hat ein gutes System.
Great. Lastly, if you were talking about public transport, you might say,
Das Verkehrssystem in der Stadt ist komplex.
Das Verkehrssystem in der Stadt ist komplex.
you're doing really well. Now, let's talk about how to remember the gender of
System.
sure?
since
System.
is neuter. You can look for the ending M, which is a common hint. Also, imagine a complex machine with gears and wires working together. This image can help solidify that connection in your mind.
That's a fun way to remember.
As for usage,
System.
can be both formal and informal depending on the context. You might say,
Das System ist effizient.
or use it in a more casual setting like,
Das neue System ist cool.
Are there any similar words I should be cautious about?
yes. Be careful with,
System.
which is incorrect. The correct spelling is
System.
also.
Schema.
Might confuse you, as it refers to a diagram or plan, but it's not the same as
System.
Thanks for the warning. Can you give me some example sentences with
System.
Of course. Here are a few.
Das System hat viele Vorteile.
Which means the system has many advantages. Another is,
Wir müssen das System verbessern.
meaning we need to improve the system. How about,
Das alte System hat nicht funktioniert.
that means the old system did not work, right?
exactly. And finally,
In diesem System gibt es viele Regeln.
which translates to in this system, there are many rules.
Great examples.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the gender of
System.
It's neuter, right?
correct? How do you say the system works well in German?
Das System funktioniert gut.
Very good. What's the plural of
System.
Systeme.
yes? What's the past tense form
Das System funktionierte.
Perfect. And can you give me one compound word with?
System,
How about
Betriebssystem.
Exactly. You nailed it.
thanks, Alex? I feel like I've learned a lot today.
I'm glad to hear that, Sam. Remember,
System.
is a useful word in many contexts, so keep practicing. You're doing great.